This is the last thing that you want to do during a thunderstorm. Do not stay near the windows. Oh. See that? It is like raining pinballs right now. Holy sh! Oh my god, I do not. Whoa! Whoa, there's wind. There's frickin', it's really frickin' windy. Holy crap. Oh, more lightning. Any more lightning or no? Oh my god, I felt that. Holy crap. It's getting worse. It's actually getting worse. I'm actually scared. Like the rain. Like look at the rain, right? Like it's actually bouncing off of my frickin' last little bit of light there. Did not know that a thunderstorm was coming, so holy shit. Oh my god. Waiting for one last lightning strike before I get off. So I don't want to stay during this thing. Oh shit. Whoa! Holy crap! Oh my god, that was a freaking... And that's it for that? Holy crap! Oh my god, holy crap! Oh my... This is not good, guys. This is actually like... Oh my god. What is going on there? Oh my god, okay, yeah, there's another thing, but there's something... There's like spinning stuff over there. What's going on? What the hell? Oh my god. No, I don't want to die today. That thing's a whole cluster. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh god, it just got worse. Holy crap, it's getting worse. Oh my god, it's getting worse. Holy sh... No, we're in the thick of it now. Oh my god, it's freaking... Oh my god. I can't see anything out of that. Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my god, I am... Hold on. Can't even see. Can't even be able to see out of that. Oh my god, the gutter is going freaking crazy. Where's Farley? Holy crap. what are you doing? Hey, look at this. Look. Holy shit, it's flooding. Ah, shit, it's flooding over there. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's going on? Actually, really, this is getting really bad, actually. Oh my god. You're scared, aren't you? Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know. This is freaking crazy. Oh my god! Come here, Cupid. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, it's shaking the house. Come on. Okay, Cupid. There's something going on. Is there any news about this? Holy crap. It's like wind. It's like freaking... Okay, 7. God damn it, Rio Olympics. News 9 at 5. Okay, ABC. ABC. Ah, come on, you have an interview with the 9? Come on. Oh my god! There was just a lightning strike right there! Oh! That shook that! It's not getting any better, isn't it? Shit. This is stupid.
Much more bearable in the 70s, but south of that, we're still in the 90s there in Nashua.
I'm right down there. I'm not here. I'm not up there because that's. I'm down here, and the thing's like thing's moving like there. This is in New Hampshire. I'm in Massachusetts. What do you? Armed robbery. God. Wow, that's the best goddamn rainbow I've seen in a long time. Good picture. That's a good... You dirty little wanker. But hey, you're not that dirty because you gave me this. For all the views that you're gonna get me. Thank you for the views. You tornadic fucking storm. Jesus. Like wait 1 sec. Dankness and memes, join it. But weather. Trust it totally. Okay, forecast. Severe thunderstorm warning, okay? Severe thunderstorm. Like, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This thing is like hail. 1-inch hail. Like, holy crap. This is stuff that went 60 miles per hour. Like, damage to vehicles is possible. Oh my god, holy crap. Locations impacted include... Oh my god. I'm so dead. Well, I'm not dead anymore, but...